As a financial coach, I'm lucky enough to have conversations with people about money. And what I've noticed is that there's certain myths that people believe that prevent them from being able to budget and being able to have more money. And so I hope this helps you. Number one, budgeting is restrictive. I can't spend money on what I want. This is false. Budgeting is ultimately just assigning a job to your money. It's instead of saying, I have 10 grand in my account, I can do whatever I want. It's saying, I have 10 grand. 2 of that is for my mortgage. 2 of that is for this. 1,000 for eating out. And it's actually taking the money and assigning it a detailed job. So then it's not restrictive. And then ultimately you're going to be over budget in categories. It's just part of the way it is. You just move money down, but at least you have a smaller job for your money. Number two, people say that they go over budget too much and they get frustrated, so they quit. And when I hear this, I know that people are thinking about budgeting the old way, where it's like, okay, I make 5,000 a month and 200 is for eating out and I go over every month. So whatever. You need to think about it the new way. If you think about it in terms of the cash that you have and assigning a job to the cash that you have, not assigning a job to the future income yet. So it's just give a job to the money you have, and then as the new money comes in, it goes to the job that you've given it. Mindset shift, but I'm telling you, this stuff works. Here's another myth that I've heard is I'm too broke to budget. I don't think that there's anyone too broke to budget. If you have any income, and you have any cash, and then ultimately the new income should be given the jobs as well. No one is too broke to budget. And number four, budgeting takes too long. This can be true. Some people develop cumbersome budgeting processes. I used to be one of them until I switched to YNAB. But yeah, budgeting is actually not. It shouldn't take more than 30 minutes a week to just review your spending when you use some type of automated system. But if you use a paper budget or some type of crazy spreadsheet, then yeah, it can take you too long. But stop doing that. Use something automated. Make it easy on yourself. Are there any other beliefs that are keeping you from budgeting?